Today we are going to talk about Rvest, which is a package used to gather large amounts of data from websites in a process known as web scraping. You might want to do this to extract data from a website without a publicly available database. In this tutorial, we will go over two basic examples using Rvest. First, we will use Rvest to scrape text from a Caltrans website using the HTML text function. In the second example, we will extract a table from Wikipedia using the HTML table function. You can install this package by typing install.packages into your R script. After installing, you must import the package with the library function. Once the package is loaded into your environment, you can begin. There are three basic steps to scraping with this package. First, you load in all of the HTML code from a URL. Second, you select the nodes or elements that you want to look at. Once you have the node you want, you can select and retrieve the data or table in R. Let's try extracting from a website. In this example, we are going to look at road closures on Highway 1 from the Caltrans website. First, to load in all the HTML code from the website we are interested in, pass the URL to the HTML read function. In order to scrape only the information that we want, we will need to select the proper HTML nodes. An easy way of doing this is to use the Chrome extension Selector Gadget. With the Selector Gadget extension selected, we can use the cursor to hover over different parts of the web page. An orange box will appear around the different elements. When we have found the elements that we want to scrape, simply left-click the highlighted portion of the web page to select it. You will notice that the selected element turns green and that several other elements on the page will be highlighted in yellow. These are related elements that the Selector Gadget assumes you may also want. If you don't want some of these elements, simply click on them again until they turn red. Once all the information you want is highlighted in green, copy the text from the interface in the bottom right portion of your screen. Now all we have to do is pass this text to the HTML nodes function. Now the node is assigned to the variable Highway 1. Next, we can use the HTML text function to remove the messy formatting tags. If we check the variable Highway 1 text, we can see that the output is still printed in several lines of code. If we want to get rid of the separate lines and combine them into one paragraph that gives us a summary of road closures, we use the paste collapse function. Now we have a single paragraph with all the text contained from the selection on the Caltrans website. For our second example, we will show you how to scrape a table from Wikipedia page. Here we have a table showing various awards for a given computer game. As in the previous example, first we need to get the HTML code from the URL of the website. Next, we select the table we wanted using the HTML nodes function. To extract the table from the node, we can use the HTML table function. This function is very powerful because it returns a data frame, so the table you scraped is already in workable R format. The table is now stored in R as the variable league, which can then be further manipulated according to your needs. These are just two basic examples using Rvest. With a little practice, this can be a very useful tool. Thank you.